All right, the drink we're about to make is called Cherry Margarita. And we're going to serve this up in a martini glass. So get your glass ready with some water and ice, and it should be well chilled by the time you're done. Okay, put some ice in a mixing glass, and we're going to measure out 1 ounce of cherry brandy. Oops. And 1 ounce of tequila. Next, we'll add a ½ ounce of triple sec. And 1 ounce of sour mix. Okay, take your shaker. Give it a good shake. Now, if you'd like, you can serve this in a margarita glass on the rocks. It's up to you. Dump out your ice water. The glass should be well chilled by now. And strain it in. There we go. Garnish it with a cherry. And that's it. Cherry Margarita, bottoms up.